In today's video, I'll teach you how to find cool kitchen gadgets in Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. You'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to find cool kitchen gadgets, what you have to do is simply search for it. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you can search for the specific kitchen gadget that you would like to buy. You can also search for the brand if you want. Here I'm just going to write kitchen gadgets. Now press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find variety of cool kitchen gadgets. You can simply scroll down for more options. You'll also be able to find the general specification of that particular gadget. Also you'll be able to see the price. So if you want to find more details, you can simply click on that particular kitchen gadget and you'll be able to find more details regarding that particular kitchen gadget over here. If you want to buy it, you can click on this option, add to cart or buy now, and you'll be able to buy it too. So like this, you'll be able to find the cool kitchen gadgets. So that is how you find cool kitchen gadgets in Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.